ANCA's CNC machines are unique because we offer 9 axes capability across our range of tool and cutter grinders. Supplied as standard on our machines are 5 physical axes and 4 soft axes. These are the 5 physical axes. The x-axis movement is parallel to the tool axis. This is the positive direction and the negative direction. The y-axis movement is horizontally perpendicular to the tool axis, and the z-axis movement is vertically perpendicular to the tool axis. The A and C axes are the rotary axes. The A-axis rotates the tool. Rotating anti-clockwise is positive, and clockwise is negative. The wheel pack is mounted to the C-axis, which provides rotary travel. Additionally, there are 4 soft axes in an ANCA machine. The B-axis movement is always around the edge of the wheel. The B input value is entered in degrees, with a positive value moving it clockwise around the wheel, and the negative value moving it anti-clockwise. The U-axis movement is always radially towards the center of the wheel. The V-axis movement is perpendicular to the front surface of the wheel. The W-axis movement is always tangential to the edge of the wheel. The number of calculations required when moving from point to point between the tool and wheel are reduced substantially and at times not required. This is made possible with the advanced kinematics provided by ANCA Motion CNC Control using its unique soft axis kinematics. The soft axis comprises calculations of the physical X, Y, and Z axes and the position of the C axis. Notice how the tool is moving along the periphery of the wheel. This is programmed with only 2 axes, the soft B axis and physical C axis. Traditionally, multiple spline points around the wheel are required to move around the periphery of the wheel. A spline is a special function used to calculate complex shapes. The X, Y, Z, and C axis positions of each spline point need to be calculated and programmed to move around the periphery of the wheel. On ANCA machines, utilizing the soft axis feature, the multiple spline points are no longer required. The user just has to input the soft axis B value, and the CNC control automatically calculates the spline around the wheel periphery.